I am so excited today to introduce you to a new series that I'm starting today. It's called Nomad Money. I call it Nomad Money because my favorite way to live is as a nomad, and I think the way that I conduct my life, I look at money a lot differently than the majority of people. So in this new series, we're going to be talking about nomad money, that is, how you can control your money to live a better life. Of course, we'll focus on cost of living and expense control, but we'll also discuss ways to actually make money as a nomad, and it's not as hard as you might think. In fact, I've been able to generate much more money as a nomad than I ever did working in a traditional 9-to-5, and not only that, I feel a lot better about it, and I'm just much more happy in my life than when I was working for an employer. So if all this sounds like something you are interested in, then stick around for this series. Check out every video in this playlist, and let's keep talking more about Nomad Money. Go ahead and subscribe right here or continue this playlist right here, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.